Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about the APPSC Group 1 General English 2017 paper. We'll go through the question paper quickly. So the maximum time allotted for this paper is 3 hours and the maximum marks is 150 marks. So the instruction is given as attempt all the questions. You need to attempt all the questions and in each question there will be an instruction given. Now look at the first question. Write an essay on any one of the following. So the marks given for this is 20 marks. So if you see, you have been given option A and option B and you can choose any one of the topic and write an essay on it. The first topic is the hazards of urbanization. And the second topic is information technology. Now move to the second question. Write a covering letter for the post of sales manager in ABC Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. Guys, note that this is not general letter, it is a covering letter. The pattern will be little different. So you need to read the question first of all very carefully and give the answer. And this letter carries 15 marks. So if you make a mistake in the pattern of the letter, 15 marks will not be given. Now look at the third question. It is all about reading the passage and giving the correct answers. So there are 10 questions asked from this passage and each question carries 1 mark. Now look at the passage length. It will be quite lengthy. You need to go through the passage really carefully and you need to answer. And if you score it, and it's really an scoring area. Now look at the fourth question also. Okay, so read the passage given below and make a précis of it by reducing it to 1/3 of its original length. Give an appropriate title to the passage. So you need to go through the whole passage and you need to cover and focus on the main points of the passage, and also you need to provide an appropriate title for the passage, and this carries total of 15 points. Fifth question is identify the part of speech of the underlined words in the following. So 5 questions will be given and in each sentence there is an underlined word if you observe. So you need to decide and answer to which part of speech that word belongs to. Okay. Now move to the sixth question. It carries 10 points and filling the blanks in the following sentences with correct forms of the verb. See, already a hint verb is given. You need to correct it with, you need to fill it with the correct words. Okay. So here also 10 questions will be asked and each carries 1 mark. We're moving to the seventh question, that is change the following sentences as directed without changing the meaning. So in each question there is an instruction given, so you need to change it accordingly. Here the first question they are asking to change the voice. If a question is given in a direct passive voice or active voice, you need to first confirm that and change it into the opposite one. So for each question there are certain instructions provided. You need to read it and change the word, change the whole sentence accordingly. Now move to the 8th one. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with appropriate articles a, an and the. So you need to carefully go through the each sentence and which is a perfect fitting article, you need to fill that. This carries also 5 points. Now move to the 9th section. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with appropriate prepositions. Okay guys, and this carries 5 points. 5 questions, 5 points. This is the 10th question, that is correct the following sentences without changing its meaning. Here each sentence carries 2 marks and the whole is about 20 points. So 10 sentences will be asked and you need to change the sentence of the word. See, correct the following sentences without changing the meaning. Meaning should be as it is, but you need to change the sentence. Now 11th is make sentences using the following idiomatic expressions. Your sentence should bring out the meaning of the idiomatic expressions clearly. Idioms. If you go through the idioms, you can know the background what it is, original meaning. So go through a list of idioms, go through some example words, example sentences, so that when some new questions will be asked, you can write some sentences on your own words. So these are the listed idioms in 2017 paper. Now move to the next session. Write one word substitutes to the following expressions. So it is the meaning of some word. So instead of writing the complete word, there is a one word substitute. That means it is a synonym. This is the full meaning of a word and you need to identify that word and you need to write it down. And this carries also 5 points. Yeah. Next 13th is write the synonyms of the words. Haggle. Okay. So this topic carries 5 points and 5 questions will be asked and you need to write the meaning of each word given. 14th section is write antonyms. So the opposite words. That is also carrying 5 points. 5 questions will be asked. Next is make sentences with the following pair of words clearly brings out the difference in meaning between the two words. So if you notice them carefully, these are all the way the words will pronounce is same. This is also carrier. This is also carrier. Pedal, pedal. So the pronunciation of the words will be same, but the meaning of the word will be different. By looking at the spelling, you have to identify and you need to write the meaning. So this is how the general English section for the APPSC 2017 paper. So now you got to know what are the type of topics and what are the kinds of sections will be there in the question paper. So focus on the topics carefully and you can clear the paper in very good marks. Now we'll move in the next video with new paper. Thank you so much for watching this.